Split. Ever wish your photos looked like they came from a top agency, even if they were just snapped on your phone? I'm going to show you how AI can turn ordinary pictures into bright, scroll-stopping visuals that will wow your clients and customers. Most business photos are just ... flat. Dull colors, bad lighting, no energy. That's fine for an email, but on LinkedIn, in presentations, or in ads, bring. Visuals cost you attention, and attention is money. This is where AI steps in. With AI image tools, you can instantly brighten photos, sharpen faces, and make your brand colors pop. What used to take a designer 30 minutes now takes 10 seconds. You can even create custom brand filters to ensure every single image, from headshots to product shots, has the same professional, consistent look, matching your slide decks, website, and marketing campaigns, all looking polished and premium. You don't need a camera crew, just an AI tool and the right prompts. To get my exact prompts for creating executive headshots and branded graphics, drop the word images in the comments. Subscribe for more AI tips.